What is your name?
My name is Dawn.
Awesome. And what do you do? Who are you?
I work with automotive industry.
Awesome. And then are you a mom?
Dog mom.
Awesome. Dog mom. Awesome. All right. And then why was Squeaks window cleaning at your home?
Because my windows were filthy, and my sister-in-law and my mom suggested you guys.
Awesome. And did they complete any services for you?
Yes, they did windows and I believe dryer vent for my mom, and both said they had a great time with them and everything was done well.
Awesome. Awesome. How would you describe the scheduling with the company?
It was easy. I gave a few dates that worked for me, and they came back and said, this one's great, let's go.
Awesome.
And that was it.
Awesome. And then often a lot of clients think about the pricing and then the value and what's the balance, is it too expensive?
The pricing was very good for the amount of windows and everything that had to be done. I thought it was very reasonable.
Awesome. And then how would you say, so you talked about the pricing, what would you say value-wise? How was everything value-wise with the value you received?
I would say it was very good because everything was done very well and they took their time and care with doing it. So it was good.
Awesome. Great. So there are probably like 100 window cleaning companies in the area. Why should people choose Squeaks Window Cleaning?
Because you're courteous, you're conscientious, and you were on time, and you kept me informed of everything that was going on, and you did a great job.
Awesome. Awesome. All right. And then would you choose Squeaks Window Cleaning to serve you again in the future?
Absolutely.
Fantastic. All right. Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
Shake your hand. Professional. Awesome.